How to archive completed projects in Todoist. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can easily archive completed projects in Todoist. Well, the process itself is easy and simple. Now, if you head into the completed task here, you'll be able to find here this particular task here. You can proceed to filter by activity the added task, updated task, completed task here from the top right as well. And if you head into completed task, you'll be able to find your completed task, right? So what you can do is if you click on inbox, you'll be able to find it on the inbox here. So you can see this has been completed. What I can do is tap on three dots here, and down below I'll be able to get the option to delete and such, right? Now, if you have a particular project, you can tap on three dots and you'll get the option to archive. So you can archive it this way if you have the project of the task, if you have created a project. However, if you have within the completed task, what you can do is to archive it. What you can do is you can proceed to delete it and it'll be moved to your folder. And once you have it on your folder, you'll be able to recover it back within 30 days from your recovery bin. However, if it crosses the 30 days mark, it'll be deleted permanently. You've got to know that. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.